Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play XCOM 2. This guide will help you understand the core mechanics of this challenging turn-based strategy game. You will learn to command your squad of resistance fighters against the alien occupation, making critical decisions both on the battlefield and at your mobile headquarters, the Avenger. We will cover everything from base management to advanced combat tactics, preparing you to adapt and overcome the alien threat. On the Avenger, your mobile base, you will manage all strategic operations. Clear debris to build essential facilities like the Advanced Warfare Center or the Proving Grounds. Research alien technology and perform autopsies to unlock powerful new gear and abilities for your soldiers. Train and promote your resistance fighters, specializing them into one of 5 distinct classes, each with unique skills. Efficient resource management is key to your success. Tactical combat is where XCOM 2 truly shines. Always position your soldiers behind full or half cover to reduce incoming damage. Each soldier has 2 action points per turn, which can be used for movement, attacking, or using special abilities. Flanking enemies is crucial, as it significantly increases your hit probability and can lead to devastating critical hits. Employ Overwatch to create deadly ambushes and control the battlefield. For advanced play, always prioritize mission objectives and eliminate the most dangerous alien threats first. Ensure your soldiers are equipped with the best possible gear, including weapon upgrades and utility items, to maximize their effectiveness. Learn to combine soldier abilities and class synergies for powerful, coordinated attacks that can turn the tide of battle. Remember, XCOM 2 is unpredictable, so always be ready to adapt your strategy on the fly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.